Hey guys, it's Riley, and this is my second vlog for my YouTube channel, and I apologize for not posting in a while. My YouTube has been suckish, and, sorry, the lighting is really bad and bright. So, it's been kind of weird, and it hasn't let me post any videos. So, yeah, and if you guys saw my other video, or if I even posted it, I will try to make a new video every day. And I'm sorry about not trying to, which I have, and I'm sorry for that. And excuse that, that was my neighbor. And so today is Saturday, the second to last day of spring break. I don't want to go back to school, man. I mean, I just love not being at school. And it like poured earlier today, and it's like freaking dry. It doesn't really make sense. I'm trying to be super careful so I don't splash in a puddle. So I'll show you how bad it is in my yard. If I can. Okay. Okay, on to a different angle. If I can, that's even possible. And I just stepped in a puddle. So, I can't show you, but it's pretty bad. And so, yeah, that's pretty much how my day went. And, you know, spring break hasn't actually been that bad, you know. And so, yeah, and I'm not too excited going back to school. And, and it's been really hard lately, but hey, the year's almost over. We still take the STAAR test this month, I think next week, the week after next. And so, yeah. So, that's pretty much it for my second vlog. So, comment down below if you've been having certain rain problems like mine. And, like, subscribe. And so,